I'm passionate about gardening. I've been gardening for a long time, since I was a wee boy, and so it seemed like a natural course for me to take. I'd actually been in a very frantic office for the last 9 years, and actually I relished, to begin with, the ability to design on my own and have a bit of peace and quiet, to be honest. The home study allowed me great flexibility, allowed me the time that I needed to set up my own company. I'm already working, I'm already putting garden designs in place. I've actually just finished one. I've learned a lot through the course. I've learned the processes, expectations of the clients, requirements, how to obviously measure the garden, to put it all onto paper, and to build it and into a presentation that I can actually show and be proud of to the client. To graduate today, it's important for me. Obviously, I've got a qualification which is recognised. It's obviously helped me to springboard onto other things, such as joining accredited companies within the industry, such as the SGD and the Gardeners Guild. But for me personally, I'm really thrilled to be graduating today. It's onwards and upwards from here.